What is up, Gunplum Modelers? This is Strider Prime bringing you a new edition of Gundam Models, and today I'm going to build this. The SD Gundam Cross Silhouette Nightingale. This is the kit that you guys said I should build and see how, I did a vote video, you could say, a couple of days ago asking what should I build. Should I build this or should I build the RX-782? And you guys suggested I should make this kit. And that's what I'm doing right now. I got this kit from Gundam Planet. It was actually one of their damaged box sets. I said, I'll take it off your hands if you don't mind. And this would be my first time building a Nightingale. Yes, I know, there's the RE version of the Nightingale, and maybe one day I'll get my hands on that kit. But for now, this should be okay to work with and see how it is. And I've heard some pretty positive things about it, and I see a lot of people taking this kit and kit bashing it with other kits, other other master grades, other high grade kits. I remember last year oh my god, I completely forgot who it was, and I think it's Ricky Jr. I could be wrong. I know he's gonna probably correct me. He built his Jagan, but he used the wings of the SD. I don't know if that's true. I don't think he used the RE version, because that is a big boy, big kit, and I could be wrong again. But I've decided to build this one because this is just filler before I decide to move. I am not going to paint it. Sorry, and I'll put stickers on this. But this will be the first time I'm building one of the Cross Silhouette kit lines that was released by Bandai. There's so many right now that I want to get them all, you could say. Some of them I got, some of them I didn't, some I'll wait. But for now, this will be the first one to work with. And I haven't built an SD kit in a while. Been meaning to do that soon. So this kit retails somewhere around 1,400 yen, so you could probably get it for about, well, that's around $12 or so, but I think on an average price range it's about 20 or so. You can get it at Gundam Planet or any other hobby stores. We'll see how cool and fun this is. I can imagine many people are going to say, oh yeah, it is a fun looking kit to build. So yeah, we'll see, of course. So let's open this up. So we'll look at the sides here. We see a lot of the gimmicks. You have the mono eye that can be moved. You have the removable bits, the funnel bits. I believe this comes with the 2 frames. No, it says here it's scheduled for July 2018, so it only comes with the smaller frame. If I want to make it a little taller, I would need to get this one. That's my interpretation of this. Alright, so we have the red parts here. Very good detail. Actually, very nice. Cool. There's all the funnels there. How many do you get all? If I'm not mistaken, is it 12 funnels or 10 funnels? I don't know. Hold on. 1, 2. Oh, it's 10 funnels. Oh. Yeah. So you have another plate there. You'll have the white parts that make up the fuel tanks and some detail parts. We have the stickers, which we will be using. Oh, that's a really cool detail parts for the thrusters under the binders. Detail part for the shield. We have another one here. We have the clear part for the mono eye. And of course this is the frame itself. Alright, that's kind of cool. Here is the manual. So other than the RX-782, we also have the Crossbone Gundam that came out as well. Some detailed specs in English. That's actually very nice. Okay, so clearly we're using all the parts that's here, so that's kind of fun to see that there's not going to be an omitted section. And then brief description on how to identify the parts. Then you have the assembly of the upper body, and then the lower part. Wait a minute. Oh, I see. Sorry, I'm reading this wrong. So this comes with two sections of the manual. The first section is, of course, if you're using the SD frame, and then you could switch over to the CS frame. So we're going to have to use this part of the instructions. So the top part refers to the body, the arms, the waist unit, the assembly of the waist unit, and then the colored section. And we have the assembly of the legs, then the assembly of the body, and then in this section here is the assembly of the head, the binders, the weaponry, how to put it on this on the action base stand, and the fuel tanks, the shield, and that's it. That's pretty much it. There is one thing I'm noticing. Hold on, maybe I didn't see it in the manual. There is no color guide. Usually you see that in certain manuals, but since this kit is molded in color, you could pretty much figure it out. But yeah, I'm a bit surprised. I don't know if it was on purpose or not, but if you guys want to paint it, it's pretty simple to see. You know, painting the white parts, painting the entire part red, the metallic parts. Hell, you can probably spray paint this if you want. So there's not that much amount of detail, but there's a lot of part separations and color separations. So when I get a chance to do the live stream of this coming this weekend, we'll look into it a bit further. So with that being said, let's now begin building Nightingale SD Cross Silhouette. Okay, so now we're going to build the body of the SD Nightingale, and these are all the parts that I've separated to assemble this. Very simple parts, good detail on it for scale, and plus I was going to do the assembly of the inner frame, but I said, you know what, let me just do it this way because it's only a small frame. If I had the bigger one, which is the CS frame, it would have been great, but this didn't come with it. We'll probably do that when we build the RX-782 SD version Cross Silhouette this weekend during my live stream. But for now, we have take this part, and then actually no, we need this. Then we need this. Stick that there. Then we put these two here, like so. And then we have a poly cap. But interestingly enough, there's not. I didn't see any PVC poly caps. This is all plastic. This is not a poly cap per se. It's just a mold of what it looks like a poly cap. And then we have this part that goes upside down like that. So it looks like that. Take these two parts here, put them together like so. And then we have this part that goes like that, here. And we have this white part uncoiled part of a trim. And then you have this. This one comes with a sticker that you put in and it fills it in. Of course, you could paint it inside. And then we take that, put that through here. Then we take this and slide that through there. Okay. And then we take the body, the main body, connect that through here. The back part, connect that to there. Okay. And then, I'm sorry, this shouldn't have been here. Then we have this part, which I did put the emblem here in the front. There's another, oh, there's detail in the back. I thought it was an emblem. But you slide this on top like so. And then you take this and put it right on top. Well, okay, now that doesn't make any sense. So you have to put a polycap here for this, so you can put that in here. Why? Doesn't make any sense. But, alright, if that's what they say, fair enough. There's the body. It's now complete. Let's now move on to the next part of the build. Okay, next up is going to be the arms of the Nightingale SD. Some little detail. You know, I should have mentioned that yes, even though you don't need clippers for this, sometimes a little bit of leftover plastic that gets stuck on it, so be forewarned. And if you want to paint this, clearly this can be done. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to put these two thruster packs here. One goes there. And the other one goes here. And then we have this one that goes in like this. And that one that goes here. Like so. Then we have this. Doesn't matter what position it is. Oh, you know what? That has to be the left arm, and then this has to be the right arm. So that one goes through here, and then that one goes through here. Okay. And we have this part here. That goes in like so. And another cover here. There we go. Then we have this part. That, I guess when you put it this way, you put it like that. Ah. Hold on. I don't know if this is supposed to be loose or supposed to go in. Doesn't say to put it in and twist. Huh. Maybe the other way around. Like that. Oh, okay, so it's like that. And then this one goes here. Oh, okay, fair enough. Now I understand. And then this one goes there. Hold on, so if I did that and I did that, then it has to go the other way around. Ah! Okay, I get it now. And then here are the hands. Alright, it's kind of cool, and I can understand, you know, how short the arms are. If these were the regular CS arms, the arms would be, what, like up to here, I think? I don't know. Alright, the arms are done. Let's now move on to the next part of the build.